Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka Parihar. So today I will tell you about my mini project that is Alma Connect, which is an alumni portal on which I am working along with my batchmates. I have a journal for my work on this idea. My idea has not been disclosed in public. I haven't pursued a patent. I have spent 12 hours and no money was spent on my project. I have only developed the concept. I need help with a business plan. Now, introduction. We have seen that many institutions, colleges, and universities maintain information about alumni manually. So this doesn't allow efficient data management and retrieval process. Suppose a student willing to get information about others has to approach the college and obtain the details, and often these info is not available or misleading. There are many departments of information for the maintenance of college information and student databases in any institution. This information can be the general details like student name, batch, company in which they are currently working, place, address, and phone number. All the modules in college administration are interdependent and are maintained manually, so they need to be automated and centralized. So the current system which the universities are using is manual, for which the college is maintaining books to store the information like student details and other details. It is difficult to maintain important information manually. Historical data is difficult to maintain as it is tedious to manage historical data, and it requires much space to keep all previous years data and books. So now the goal of our project is to put in place new solutions for institution so that they can maintain updated data of alumni on a digital platform. So the accuracy, speed, digitalization of the system will be enhanced. So this will provide efficient system for the institution and will also help the current student of the college to communicate with alumni. It will be simple to manage data of alumni and will provide accurate and updated data of the alumni. So next, I will tell you the objectives of the project. The objective of the work is to propose options for institution and students. To do this, it requires review and study different manual work, that is register system of institution to create a platform that digitally store the data of alumni. Find out the difference, propose a faster solution for networking, organizational event, get together, and the most important, communication. Propose solution for the system that works on different node like register record management system. So we know that there are advantages and disadvantages. So we had talked about some advantage. So now if I talk about risk management, so it is the process of identification, analysis, and acceptance or mitigation of uncertainty in investment decisions. Essentially, risk management occurs anytime an investor or fund manager analyzes and attempts to qualify the potential for losses in an investment and then takes the appropriate action or inaction given his investment objectives or risk tolerance. Risk is basically an expectation of loss, a potential problem that may or may not occur in the future. It is generally caused due to lack of information, control, or time. A possibility of suffering from loss in software development process is called the software risk. Software risks can be of two types: internal risk that are within the control of the project manager, and the second, external risk that are beyond the control of the project manager. The internal risk involved in this project are failure of updation of data, hardware failure, loose connections. The external risk involved in the project are dependency on internet connection, battery draining, and the last, power loss. So now I will tell you the contribution of the project. This project will aim to contribute new ways to store and retrieve the information of alumni of college. The three ways are market potential, innovativeness, and usefulness. So the first one is market potential. This application provides a platform for the user to access data of alumni and provide necessary details to their juniors so that they can contact them further. So it provides a digital platform for institution where they will have their alumni's records. The second one is innovativeness. Data is in centralized way. So it is very easy to manage historical data. No specific training is required and it is very easy to record the information of the college and about the students in the database. Then the third one is usefulness. Usage is changing people's lives. Alumni app is one such attempt to bring the passed out students of the college closer to their juniors and share their experience. It will help them to connect, get information and guidance for their career. So next is project schedule. So you can see that this is the project schedule: feasibility study, feasibility report, requirement analysis, user requirement, analysis and design, UML diagram, design study, architectural design. So a schedule is a listing of project's milestones, activities, and deliverables, usually with intended start and finish dates. So now I'm going to tell you about requirements. The user will be able to use the application efficiently as the application is having a special characteristics of using less manpower, but it doesn't mean it is reducing job opportunity. Instead, it is improving job opportunity in technical sectors. Our application is providing automatic system of triggering in alarming situation wherever there is any human error. The main user role is to make the perfect decision during alarming situation, as our software is providing the major platform to make the perfect decisions. If not, the software will automatically trigger the alarm. So the requirements are of four types: functional requirement, non-functional requirement, business and technical requirements. So in functional requirement, user can view the information about alumni and their companies uploaded by the alumni, and students and alumni can see all information by one-time logging at a time. So the features of functional requirement is that it provides 24 by 7 facility, and it is provided with automated way to update data. So the second is non-functional requirements. So its feature is, the first one is availability, that it is available 24 by 7. The second, which is the security, which is the most important one, the user should provide a password to log on to the system. And the third is maintainability, that the record should be maintained properly. There should be a facility to maintain the record in the database. And the last one is reliability. The system will be reliable because it is secure and available all the time. These are the business and technical requirement of our system. Now here you can see the use case diagram. So what is use case diagram? Use case diagram at its simplest is a representation of user's interaction with the system that shows the relationship between the user and the different use cases in which the user is involved. A use case diagram can identify the different types of users of a system and the different use cases, and will often be accompanied by other types of diagram as well. Here you can see that the admin can have the detail of login, sign up, update details, view all details, search alumni details. Alumni can have login, sign up, update details, and search alumni details. And the student can have sign up, login, update details, and search alumni details. So now next is analysis and conceptual design and technical architecture. So the first is technical architecture. The architecture of a system describes its major components, their relationships, and how they interact with each other. Below architecture diagram represent mainly flow of request from user to database through servers. In this scenario, overall system is designed in 3 tiers, separately using 3 layers called presentation layer, business logic layer, and data link layer. This project was developed using 3-tier architecture. Then the second is sequence diagram. A sequence diagram is an interaction diagram that shows how objects operate with one another and in what order. It is a construct of a message sequence chart. A sequence diagram shows object interactions arranged in time sequence. It depicts the objects of classes involved in the scenario and the sequence of messages exchanged between the objects needed to carry out the functionality of the scenario. Then the class diagram. A class diagram is an illustration of the relationships and source code dependencies among classes in the Unified Modeling Language, UML. In this context, a class defines the method and variables in an object, which is a specific entity in a program or the unit of code representing that entity. Class diagram is a static diagram. It is represented static view of an application. So this is the data design, alumni and student, proposed algorithm, and the tools required is software tools and hardware details, operating system, Windows, technology React Native, web technology JavaScript, database Firebase, developing tools Visual Studio, processor dual core, RAM 4 GB, hard disk 16 GB, application size 1.98 MB. So now the result, this application reduces the manual work as well as provide a platform to connect the students. This is the most basic yet not the most efficient method to implement this concept because it is an efficient way to convey the message to the students about the upcoming job opportunities. All the modules in the college administration are interdependent. They are maintained manually, so they need to be automated and centralized as information from one module will be needed by the other module. Alma Connect is useful for easy user interface. Its system utilizes a powerful database management, data retrieval, data manipulation, which provides more easy for managing the data and saves the valuable time, reduces the huge paperwork, and provides connectivity between students and alumni. So next is the conclusion. After the system has been studied, designed, developed, and tested, the following conclusions were created. The developed system can guarantee to keep the records are safe and privacy, which is stored in the database. In data record system of alumni, there are many problems that needs to be maintained, such as searching, sorting the entire huge data. The system is provides solution for this by offering a desired platform to store the alumni data. The developed system was evaluated, tested. It performs well functional, reliable. It very helpful to student to get an information by the newsfeed. Now, the problems that are in existing system, there are myriads of benefits of developing app within the existing system. This application maintains information about various events like annual fest, workshops, CSI, workshop, etc. that are conducted by our college through the timeline blog. Details of notifications are also maintained. The manager can add, delete, edit, and view event details. The alumni can register themselves, and after the approval from the administrator, they can log on into their account and can update their profile and even search for their student details. One can view the event details and search for specific information. The module provides mail and query functionalities. Now the need for this project. This application keeps the data in a centralized way, which is available to all the users simultaneously. It is very easy to manage historical data in a database. Then they can easily use tool that decreases manual hours spending. It is very easy to record the information of the college and about the students in the databases. Usefulness. The Android app ecosystem is rich and diverse, and their usage is changing people's lives. Apps alone aren't going to make the world a better place, but the people developing and using them are working to share information, teach, collaborate, and grow. And that will make the world a better place. Android Alumni app is one such attempt to bring the passed out students of the college closer to their juniors and share their experience. It helps them to connect, get information and guidance for their career. Scope of the project, discussion forum. It will be very useful for students studying in the college. They can directly interact with alumni members according to their field of study and get the career guidance as well. Alumni information. Information of passed out students will be stored in the application, like where the person is currently working, their contact number, email, etc. Search button. The user can also be able to search about the particular alumni if required. Profile updation. Information of the alumni can also be updated in this application. So this project will help both the universities and students for making the record, and the alumni can easily access them if they need if they require in the future. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe my video.